Acadly is a live teaching platform that helps professors make lectures interactive, whether teaching's happening online or face-to-face, and integrates with learning management systems to give administrators insights into teaching and learning at their institutions. Here's how it works. In online classes, Zoom powers Acadly's video conferencing, delivering the seamless experience that you love it for. And Acadly adds a wealth of interactivity options to the class's experience. Lively and feature-rich discussions keep the conversation ticking, your students engaged, and the interactions real-time. And rich activities add a whole new dimension of active learning that can help you transform your lectures to conversational learning experiences. Whether it's collecting feedback from the class, assessing their mastery over concepts, opening the floor for discussions and debates, or sharing the right content at the right time. Acadly helps you do it all. And behind every little flicker, comment, like, and submission is a student who's no longer a passive listener, but an engaged participant. And while your lectures do need to end, learning does not. Acadly preserves all your chats and activities for reflection and asynchronous engagement in a neat timeline. You can share pre-class activities to help your students prepare for the next lecture, and Q&A can continue in the same interface even after the lecture ends. When learning happens in person, not only is Acadly ideal for live in-class engagement, it was made for it. Inside the classroom, Acadly works as a student response system with all its interactivity options and a mesh network-based attendance automation technology that helps professors discover students in their proximity at the tap of a button. So, as the mode of instruction changes from face-to-face to online or vice versa, you and your students still get the same consistent and seamless experience without changing platforms. Behind the scenes, Acadly's LTI-based LMS integration gives administrators unparalleled insights into operational metrics like student attendance and pipes all your learning data back to your official databases, highlighting at-risk students and how to best support them in their journey to success. So go to Acadly.com and check us out. We'll be your partners in creating a culture of interactivity and student success.